What is up, you guys? Good morning. It's the next day after installing the lip. Looks fucking insane. Excuse my language. Had to drop an F-bomb out there because it's absolutely the truth. Yeah. Gonna wash the car tomorrow. Cars and coffee on Sunday. My dad's never been. I went like 3 weekends ago with Connor. It was pretty dope. So we're gonna go with Connor and my dad. I don't know if his dad's sliding out or not, but should be a good time. When I get to the shop, I'll show you guys a little more. This is obviously going to be before the install. By the way, I am going to post, and please at the end of the video watch it. What I did was I made new holes and I put big bolts, big nuts with big washers, because my fear is that it'll fall off. I don't really trust the double-sided stick tape alone and those self-tapping screws like everybody does. To me, that doesn't work. So I'll kind of post a video as to where I drilled it, what size drill bit I used, and what size bolts I used, so like that you guys can have a point of reference. So right where, well, you guys will see it in the video. I don't want to explain kind of, but yeah, I just drilled into the lip. I know it's a brand new lip, but they're not big bolts. They're actually the same. It's actually F8x intake manifold bolts with nuts. I have a bunch of spares laying around. That's like the perfect size bolt, not too long, so when it makes it to the other side of the bumper, it doesn't protrude into the part that it doesn't need to and then damage the bumper. It's like the perfect size. So I'll take some pictures and videos of that further into detail. Right now I have 4 bolts holding it on. I want to add one more, so when I lift it up to add that one, because I got to go to the shop pick it up, you guys will see how I have it set up and everything. And I put some double-sided stick tape. I'm going to take the lip back off. I don't like it because even though the fitment's really good, there's a slight gap. So the double-sided stick tape, you can see it clear as day, and it's not even doing anything. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and well, enjoy the video because this is the beginning of it. Thanks, guys. What is up, guys? I'm in the kitchen right now with Ashley. She's laughing at me. She's not going to be in the video. I got myself a Valentine's gift. I asked her to be my Valentine. She's saying I didn't, but I got me something here. This is right here. This is my jamma bamma right here. You can talk. Anybody can. I can censor you out. It's okay. Let's see what we got. Hold up. All right, hold this. If you mind holding this real quick for me. Let's see if it came broken or if it came nice. Wait, can I? All right. So we got Teddy doing the unboxing. So, babe, I want your opinion, okay? This wants to open up.
Good boy.
Huh?
You're speeding up this part, right?
Aw, shit. No, this is live. This is live. The problem is when I don't go to the gym and I have to fight to open, you know, stuff up, you feel me? It's pretty fresh. And it's not fake. It looks pretty nice, right, babe? What do you think, babe? Do you approve it? Yes or no? Can you say yes or something, or like?
You're recording the whole apartment.
Okay. Well, Ashley doesn't want to talk. I'm actually recording through her phone. She has iPhone 16. Look at how sick this is. I am so excited to install this in the car. It's nighttime, unfortunately, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do that right now, but this is looking absolutely insane, you guys. So let me go downstairs, kind of mock it up, see if I'm able to do that now, and if not, I'll continue the video. See you guys in a bit. The detail on this is crazy. So nice, it looks fake. All right, you guys, Adrian back here. I am downstairs. It is officially nighttime, but your boy's gonna do this. I really don't feel like driving 35 to 45 minutes to the shop, opening the shop to install the lip. I'm gonna do it with the flash. Got some lights and some headlamps to set up the tripod, so there should be some pretty good lighting. Mocked it up and it's gonna look pretty sick. I'm so excited. Hopefully the lighting is good. It's gonna be as best as it can be. Obviously it's nighttime. I might try to move the car to some better lighting over there. The apartment lighting is not the best here, but we're gonna make the best of what we got. Don't mind the mess. Got some parts for sale that they're supposed to come pick up, so gonna jack up the car and let's get to it. All right, you guys, so the lip is installed. And all I can say is, wow, not only is it beautiful, but the freaking fitment, oh, that's a piece of like tape there. The fitment is on point, you guys. The whole freaking way across. I've only put two bolts in, barely any double-sided stick tape. All I did was I put these self-tapping screws they provide for now with the little factory sliding things like that. Boom, I just put 4, it lines up. My recommendation, you don't even need double-sided stick tape, honestly. You put that on, once you line up these bolts right here, and it goes in, everything else is flush. Once you get that in, then you can keep on. I'm gonna start drilling these out now and keep working my way up doing this hole and that hole. So let's get back to it, you guys. Alrighty, you guys, so the lip is fully installed. I am more than happy how it came out. So you can see everything is perfectly flush and beautifully done. I know this was filmed at nighttime, probably not the best quality, but honestly I wanted to film this outside instead of at the shop just to show guys. Basically anything is possible. You can do it anywhere with the right tools and just taking your time. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.